All right, good morning, everybody. It is Monday, November 7th, and I am doing just a quick scan here to see what we have. All right, we do have a buy coming up on Bitcoin. I'll go ahead and I'll give you that entry price. If we can get Bitcoin back up to 208, 2850, that would be an entry for me, 2850. We'll go ahead and we'll mark that as an entry if we hit. So once again, we're going to continue on this week watching RTY, which is going to be the mini Russell, NQ, mini NASDAQ, BTC for Bitcoin, and G for natural gas, Home Depot, continue to watch Home Depot. And this week, we're going to be watching Euro USD on our currency, Euro USD. All right, so if you're joining us for the very first time, I would recommend that you go to my website and watch this video. Go to YouTube, Innovative Trading Strategies is my channel, and watch this, an introduction to my unconventional trading strategies and methods. I trade the markets differently. I have for the last 35 years. I've been trading for 40 years, and this is a different approach, something that that's different. I'm sure you haven't seen this before because it's not publicly available. I don't use indicators. I use what I call behavioral patterns. And also I use a technique which we call Einstein, which is a combination of patterns and a mathematical formula. With that, I'll be using that on the indices, RTY and NQ, and on Bitcoin, as well as natural gas and Home Depot. What that does is that provides me with price targets. So it'll give me an entry, a profit target, where I would exit and or reversal. And then on Euro US, we're going to be just using one of our 5 behavioral patterns. That is going to be a little bit more time sensitive. With that, we don't hold the trade longer than 5 minutes. Where with Einstein, we either hit our target or we hit the reversal. All right, historically, we've hit target anywhere between 72 to 80% of the time, depending on what market you're in. And so it will hit target before reversal. So we have pretty high probabilities we're going to hit our target before we hit our reversal. So that being said, I don't have any setups right now. I am looking for possible buy in Bitcoin if it comes up to the 2850. Once again, be sure to watch this video. Things will make a little bit more sense when you're watching this live broadcast. And that's on my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies. All right, no initial setup. Okay, so let's take a look at our stock scan. What we do is we scan a total of 12,000 different stocks. And we have one of our stronger patterns. We call it HF. And we look for all the HF setups in those 12,000 stocks. And based on the majority of which way we're showing the market is going to go in terms of the setup on that particular pattern. Right now, it looks like the majority of them are going to be pointing up. So that usually indicates, and I say usually, we're not looking at high percentages, probably somewhere between 60 to 70%, somewhere in there, that the overall market, the Dow Jones, is going to be going higher. It's going to close higher today. So I think we have pretty high numbers. I'm getting ready to look at my scan again. Yeah, we have quite a few here, so let's see. Wow. We have 260 stocks that are shown to have a buy setup on HF, and 96% of those are pointing to the upside. So usually when we get up that high in terms of percentages, then it usually indicates we have a pretty good probability that the Dow Jones is going to end up closing up higher today than its close and or opening. So biased would seems to be on the upside, but once again, when I'm trading, I will trade against that. I don't necessarily, if you're a short-term trader, that overall direction is not important. What we're looking for is that change in momentum, and whichever way the market's flowing, that's the way we're going to go with it. It's kind of the way that we trade. And right now, I don't see anything except Bitcoin. If it does pop up there, we will have a buy. I don't have anything on RTY, nothing on NQ right now. Natural gas, possible buy coming up on natural gas. It's going to be a possible HF2 if we hit. Let's take a look at that. HF2 is another one of our patterns. We have HF1, 2, and 3. And let's see if I can give you a number on that. All right, trying to run the numbers here on natural gas. Okay, natural gas, if we get up to 70.45, that would be an entry for me. Not on an HF2, entry would be a buy at 70.45 on natural gas. We'll go ahead and mark that. All right, there we go. Still about another 20 minutes before the opening bell right now. It looks like the Dow's probably going to open up somewhere around 100 points higher. All right. Okay, nothing on natural gas. Still going lower, so we're going to just hold off on natural gas. No entry on natural gas yet, so we'll wait. And then we'll recalculate. Looks like that natural gas wants to come down lower. Looks like lower still on natural gas. Possible pullback level on this natural gas. Let's see here. It could bring me down to 68.95. 68.95. Glenn is asking if we had storms. Yeah, we had some storms. We did have some storms this weekend. Kind of overcast today, kind of foggy outside. Possible rain coming in. It's becoming that time of the season when we have changes going on here, so we're going to probably start getting some more weather here in Texas. All right, so we're just hanging tight here. Looks like this euro wants to start coming down, maybe a little bit more here. But nothing yet to set us up for a trade. Still pretty quiet. Nothing on Bitcoin. Need Bitcoin to come up to 2850 in order to have a trigger buy signal. Looks like natural gas is going to get closer to our second pullback level here of what I say. Let's take a look here. I'll just go ahead and draw a line in there. Yeah, it looks like we could pull back down to the 68.95 level. 6895. On natural gas. All right, we are flat right now. We have nothing on at this point. All right, still pretty quiet. Another 10 minutes here before the opening bell. Expecting the Dow to open up higher. Our pattern scan is showing a pretty high bias to the upside today on the Dow Jones, so we'll see. Good morning, Jerry. How are you? All right, still pretty quiet. No new positions. Looking for natural gas possibly pull down to this 68.95 level. Bitcoin would have a buy up here at 28.50 if we can push up. But right now we are flat, looking for a higher opening on the Dow. Right now we're looking at about 100, 150 higher. Okay, you got a double carried buy over here on RTY. Would expect this bar to close green here on a 5-minute basis. I'm not actually taking this trade here, but usually when you have these double carrots, it usually indicates the next bar is going to be up. All right, Dow's going to open here in about a little bit more than 3 minutes. Once again, expecting it to open up higher, probably around 100 points or so. All right, less than a minute to go here before the opening bell. Looking for the Dow to open up about 100 higher here. Wow. Okay, it's up 81, up 98, up 116. These double patterns are really good here. So you see how that double pattern on the 5-minute RTY, X bar is green. Here's a short over here, double carrot short, X bar is red. I like that pattern. I tend to like the shorts over the buys, so I tend to be a lot more short biased. All right, so just sitting back, seeing if Bitcoin will hit this 2854 buy. Okay, I am watching the mini NASDAQ. Possible short coming up on mini NASDAQ. Right now, I need to see this mini NASDAQ come down to 108.82, 108.82 and a half to trigger a short. All right, right now we are flat. We don't have anything on. See if we can maybe get a short off of this mini NASDAQ, but I do need it to come down to this 108.82 and a half level. I get a short on RTY. Let's watch RTY. I need RTY down to 1809 for a short. All right, going short on RTY, going short on NQ. All right, let's get some targets here. Target. Profit target on NQ is going to bring me down to 108.45. And I'll hold that unless I need to reverse up here at 109.57, 109.57 and a half. All right, on RTY, which is also your mini Russell, let's get our profit target. All right, target there is going to bring me down to 1804. 1804. $1804 profit target reversal. 1819. All right, we are short RTY, which is the mini Russell. We are short NQ, which is the mini NASDAQ. Nothing yet on Bitcoin. Did have a buy up there on Bitcoin. Still looking for it to come up to 208.50 to trigger a buy. Thank you, Glenn, for that. All right, right now the Dow is it's at 124. Okay, watching Home Depot. Home Depot, we could pull back down here down to the 283.40 level. 283.40. Okay, just short RTY, short NQ, which is your mini Russell and your mini NASDAQ. Watching to see if this natural gas will pull back down here to the 68.95. See if Home Depot will pull back down here to the 283.40. Good add-on is anywhere between 109.15 to 109.20 on this NQ for additional short. RTY is getting close to target at 1804. Profit target hit. All right, RTY did hit his profit target. All right, still short the mini NASDAQ target 108.45. Dow still up 100. All right, we've got the mini NASDAQ slowly approaching target. 108.45 is its target. I had a pretty quiet day. I don't see any really big economic reports coming out. Let's see. Not until Thursday. Until Thursday, we got CPI and jobless claims are coming out. So I don't really see anything that's going to create some unusual volatility in here. So nothing till Thursday. All right, we'll continue to hold short on this mini NASDAQ in Q. See if we can get down here to 108.45 target. All right, mini NASDAQ's getting closer to its target. All right, if we don't bounce and hit the 2850 on Bitcoin, we are going to have a good short down here, and I'll go ahead and give you that. $26.50, 26.50 would be a really nice HF1 short. 26.50 on Bitcoin. So 26.50 would be an HF1 short on Bitcoin. One thing we have in play right now is still short this mini NASDAQ, trying to hit the 108.45 level. Looking at the Dow 55, starting to weaken. So wait for Home Depot to pull back to the 283.40.
if you're using
could get a trigger on this Bitcoin, 2650. That would be a nice short. All right, Home Depot did hit its pullback point. HF2 buy possibly coming into natural gas. If we can get this gas up to 70.45, that'd be a good entry. 70.45. That would be an HF2 buy. All right, so we are getting close to the top of the hour once again. For those not familiar with the way that I trade, please go to my website or YouTube, Innovative Trading Strategies. Good video here called An Introduction to My Unconventional Trading Strategies and Method. Highly suggest you watch that to get a better feel and idea of how I trade and how I look at the markets. I've been using this for 35 years, and these patterns have done me very well. So I know that they're going to continue to hold up in the future. So one of the keys of trading is being confident in the tools that you're using, and these are very good tools. So all behavioral pattern based. And please check out that video on Introduction to My Unconventional Trading Strategies. Also, if you'd like to learn more about my packages, go to my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. We have 3 levels of packages you can enter and get into. Also, right now, if you do purchase a package, you do get some free time in the live chat room, so check that out. And just to kind of wrap it up here, still short on NQ. Trying to get down here to 108.45. Like to enter on Bitcoin down here at 2650. And that is going to do it for today. So everybody have a good trading day. We'll be back here again tomorrow, as we are every Monday through Friday. First hour is always free, and we continue on then in our live trading room with our subscribers. So everybody have a good trading day, and hopefully we'll see you first thing tomorrow morning.